Does Kraken require a phone number? Hook, have you ever tried to sign up for Kraken and wondered why they seem to need your phone number? Is it really necessary? Let's dive in and find out. Intro. Okay, so you've decided to take the plunge into the world of cryptocurrency trading. You've heard about Kraken, its reputation, and its features. But before you can start buying, selling, and trading, there's one question that might be bugging you. Does Kraken actually require your phone number? Body. Why does Kraken need your phone number? Well, it turns out there are a few reasons why Kraken might ask for your phone number. Let's break them down. Security. One of the primary reasons for requiring a phone number is security. In today's digital age, security is paramount, and Kraken is no exception. By verifying your phone number, Kraken can add an extra layer of protection to your account. This helps to prevent unauthorized access and potential scams. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Kraken often uses 2FA as a security measure. This means that in addition to your password, you'll need to provide a code sent to your phone number to log in. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to gain access to your account, even if they have your password. Account recovery. If you ever forget your password or lose access to your account, your phone number can be a lifesaver. Kraken can use your phone number to send you a verification code that allows you to reset your password and regain access to your account. Is it mandatory? So, is providing your phone number mandatory on Kraken? Well, it depends. While some countries require phone number verification for certain types of accounts, it's not always a strict requirement. However, it's generally recommended to provide your phone number to enhance your account security and make it easier to recover your account if needed. Alternatives to phone number verification. If you're uncomfortable providing your phone number, there might be alternative verification methods available. Some platforms may offer options like email verification or social media account linking. However, these methods may not be as secure as phone number verification. Privacy concerns. It's understandable to have privacy concerns when providing your phone number. Remember that Kraken is a regulated platform, and they are bound by certain data protection laws. They should have measures in place to protect your personal information. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, does Kraken require a phone number? While it's not always mandatory, providing your phone number is generally recommended for enhanced security and account recovery purposes. However, if you have privacy concerns, you can explore alternative verification methods or consider using a different platform. Call to action. If you're ready to start your cryptocurrency journey with Kraken, go ahead and sign up. Don't forget to provide your phone number for added security. And if you have any other questions about Kraken or cryptocurrency trading in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.